welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? So I'm here to flaunt my hair, my new look. As you guys know, I'm not always on this kind of hairstyle. If you've been following me for a while, you know that if I'm not on natural hair, I'll be maybe single braids or I'll wear wig. So this time around, I decided to try something different, a new look. Okay, the last time I made this kind of hairstyle was in 2015 actually. Okay, when I was on my youth service. When I'm gonna be putting the picture so that you guys can know. So it's been like 8 years. Okay, so this particular hairstyle brought out it's almost like a different me. It doesn't even look like me anymore. Oh my god, I mean, what do you guys think? So my friend actually made this hair for me. She did a great job. I'm just here to do finishing touches. Oh my god, look at what I'm doing now. Gonna go. Okay, guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? I love this hairstyle. I don't think I really need to do this. It's working though, but I cannot go bomb my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding some hot water now and pimp it a little bit. The work is already done, guys. The work is already done. Let me oil it. Am I supposed to oil before I put hot water? Do you think that she did great with this hairstyle? Feeding braids. In Nigeria, we call this Ghana weaving, Ghana mat. No? I think it feels so good to have a different look. It feels so good to have a different look. This is my oil that I made by myself. I have a video for this oil. I'm going to check it out. So now I'm going to add dip the tip inside hot water. Okay, getting ready for hot water. Better be careful with this thing you're doing. Hey, gosh, bro. Guys, I have had issues with hot water before. I think that was 4.5 years ago when I was about to have my second child. I made this hairstyle, pick and drop. Yes, that hairstyle is pick and drop, where 80% of the hairstyle, how you have to dip it into hot water to give it a bouncy, coily this thing. I made that hairstyle and it was so beautiful. I don't know if I'll get a picture to show you guys. The hairstyle was good, but I ended up burning myself, my shoulder. So since then, I'm always nervous and cautious whenever I am using hot water on myself. Okay, yes. So guys, if you have not liked this video, I mean, what are you waiting for? This is the best time to do so. Please help your girls. Like this video, leave a beautiful comment, subscribe if you've not. Okay, I appreciate you for your love and support on this channel. Right? Yes, thank you so much, guys. So now I'm going to apply some styling mousse. This styling mousse helps your braids to, especially if you're if you're feeding braids, if any kind of braid at all, it helps everything to come together. It gives it shine too. Yeah, so that's what I'm applying right now on my hair. And lastly, oil sheen to add some shine to this hair, guys. Do you use oil sheen? My hair is set. This hair is beautiful. My friend did a great job with this hair, guys. What do you think? If you're going to grade it, 10 over 10, 8 over 10, 6, 5, 4, let me know. The highest is 10. Okay, for me it's 10 over 10. Oh. So the next video is my daughter's hair. Okay, come on, keep on watching. If you're joining me for the first time, if you're just watching my video for the first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And to you, my returning subscribers, who is always there to support, no matter what, to support yourself, thank you so much. Okay, I appreciate you. Oh God, one is just the last one that is remaining. Everyone is tired. Hold it well.
I
Hold
don't
it.
want to hold
Just try and hold it, okay?
it. It's not that painful.
It's not that painful, I know. But when I pull it, it might lose. It might even become painful, so just leave it like that, okay?
Pull yourself away a little bit further. There you go. Keep tangling.
I can't wait to look in the mirror.
You can what?
I can't wait to look in the mirror and see myself.
I know. Finally, we're almost done.
You are done.
Okay. Yes, we're done. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
I have a very
Long hair. Oh, wait, down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom! Come on, let's see. Oh my god. Done. I'm gonna ask hot water. Put hot water to do some trimming. That's a lot of hair. I did a great job, right?
Mm-hmm. Nah.
Are you happy?
Yes!
Turn around, please.
Thank you, Mommy.
On your scarf, we protect it from him. Does it hurt? Sorry. You take us. Operation.
What's that?
My stomach. Just like here.
It smells fresh.
Smells fresh.
Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy.
It's nice. Look at the way it's shining. Ooh, look at that. Then the last but not least.